tutorial, I want to do the same as I did with the pattern to a sequence. So here we have a linear sequence. We have terms 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The value of term 1 is 2, the value of term 2 is 3, the value of term 3 is 10, the value of term 4 is 14, and the value of term 5 is 18. And we want to know what is the rule, what process takes 1 and maps it onto 2, what rule takes 2 and maps it onto 6, 3 to 10, 4 to 14, and 5 to 18. And the way we're going to start this again is just as we did before. We're going to set up a table of differences. We're going to put the term values in for x, and we're going to put the value in for y. And we're going to ask ourselves, what do we have to do to 1 to get to 2? And the way to start this is to find out what the first difference is. That is, what is the difference between 6 and 2? We can see that is 4. Difference between 10 and 6 is also 4. The difference between 14 and 10 is 4. And the difference between 18 and 14 is 4. So what this is telling us, we need to take this x value and multiply it by 4 to start with. So if we take 1 and multiply it by 4, we get 4. So what else do we have to do here to 4 to get it back to 2 is what we're asking. So if we go ahead and do that all the way through, 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 5 times 4 is 20. Now, if we look at that 4 there, it means that we have to take 2 away to get back to 2. So we actually have to subtract 2 from this. So 1 times 4 is 4, take away 2 is 2. If we did the same here, times 4, we would have to go 2 times 4 is 8, take away 2 would give us 6. So the rule that we're going to come up, so we're going to go take away 2 equals 2. Take away 2 equals 6. Take away 2 equals 8. Take away 2 equals 14. So this one is take away 2 equals 10. And this final one is take away 2 will equal 18. So now we can write our equation. This rule, so if I insert the equation that I'm going to put in here, that describes every relationship here, then it's going to be y equals this is turned into a text box, and I don't want a text box. I want an equation box. So I'm going to do that again. I'm just going to bring that down here. I'm going to go y equals 4 times x take away 2. And that's our rule. 1 times 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 times 4 minus 2 equals 6. 3 times 4 minus 2 equals 10, and so on. So that if we now had the 10th pattern or term, then our rule would tell us to go 4 times 10, take away 2, and that would equal 40, take away 2, which would be 38. And we can go the other way as well. So these are what we call algorithms. This is a difference table, and this is called a input-output box, in fact.